Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Audi A6 C6 4F 2 liters TDI. The procedure is similar for other Audis and Volkswagens with the 2 liters TDI engine. The fuel filter is located on the rear of the engine, just there. That's the fuel filter, and you need to remove those two hoses. You need to loosen the brackets and remove this metal clamp on two hoses. First, we're going to loosen the two clamps on the two rear hoses and remove the hoses. When we loosen the clamps, you might want to get a screwdriver to help you with removing, to pry out the hoses, because they might be stuck on. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the two hoses out. Now I'm going to remove the metal clamp. You just need to pull out the clamp and it comes out. And now we need to remove this plastic thing that's holding the two hoses. If it doesn't want to come out, maybe pry it out a little bit with the screwdriver and it will come out. Afterwards, there is a bolt on the rear that you need to loosen in order to take the filter out. In my case, it's already loosened, but before taking the filter out, first I'm going to put to the side the coolant tank. In order to do that, first I'm going to remove the screw holding it, and then I'm just going to move it. Now that the coolant tank is moved to the side, we can take out the fuel filter and put on the new fuel filter. Now we're going to put on the new fuel filter. It's best if you fill it up with diesel before putting it in. This way the fuel system will prime easier. First we're going to put it in its place, then we're going to put the two rear hoses on, and lastly we're going to put on the connected hose with the plastic thing in the middle. And that's the fuel filter replaced. Now we need to prime the system in order to get the engine started. To do that, we're going to turn the ignition on and off about 10 to 15 times. When the ignition is on, we'll hold it for about 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then you turn it off, and then you do that again about 10 or 15 times, and then you can start the car. When you start the car, you might want to press the accelerator pedal for about 2 to 3000 RPM, just in case it hasn't primed all the way, and then you can turn the ignition off. And that's the car started, so that means the fuel system is primed, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.